Hello guys, this is how to use Beacons.AI. So first thing you need to do is just open up your browser and go to Beacons AI and then create an account. It's going to ask you to upload a picture of yourself. I just uploaded a picture of a cartoon character. And then it's just going to ask you for some information and you'll be all set. You'll have your account. Now, once you're signed into your account, it's really user friendly. You can just see all the tools that you have at the top. So if you want to set up a link in bio or add an affiliate product, or create a digital product, send an email, all of these things. And then here you have your analytics, analytics for email marketing, for the store, the link in bio. So it gives you information about like the link clicks and the page views and everything. And then here you can take action through these tools. So you can create an email, can create a new product, update your links, all these good things. And then here you can just read articles about like expert advice to help you out. But for now, let's just focus on setting up your link in bio. So let's just click on this tool right here. And then let's quickly add some links. And then maybe an Instagram feed. Well, that's okay, that's premium, so I just can't add that. However, I can add my links. So what I can do is also move these around. So if I want the links to be right on top of each other, so I can just make them. So it's a links placeholder. And then the Instagram feed is at the bottom. If I want it to be at the top, I can just like hold it right there. And if you want to like make something disappear from the view, you could just like toggle the block display and make it disappear. And there's also like the email sign up. You have all these tools on the left sidebar to use. And you can even add a block and it's just going to open this again. Let's do videos, for example. Let's hope it's not premium. Nope, not premium. So you can just add a YouTube video over here and it's going to be in this block. And you just need to save that. Let me just grab a random YouTube video, for example, so we can see how that's going to look. So let's just copy this link and put it over here. Is it going to give us a preview? Hopefully. Nope. Okay, let's try another video.
It seems
Whoop. Let's just refresh to get the link.
it seems like
Okay, it gave us the preview. It just took some time to load. Okay, that's good. And then you can just type a headline. So test headline. And then this is a test description. You can even change the layouts. Right now it's a column, but if I want it to be a carousel, I can change it to a carousel. That's for the YouTube, the video layout. And you can make it collapsible, so you can just click on that and it would just drop down. And yeah, you have a lot of tools, and it's a very good website that you can use, and it has like a ton of tools that you can use. So feel free to just comment what you want to know about, and just take a stroll through the website. You're gonna find a lot of good stuff that you're gonna use, and that's gonna help you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.